Those who have joined, please comment so that we can start the class. Yes, Arnav, good evening. Pratyam, good evening. Others, those who have joined, please comment. Good evening, Payal. Today our topic will be rational numbers. Chapter number 4. Okay, Prasanna, good evening. So you all remember we have discussed about what? Natural numbers, then whole numbers, integers, then fractions also. Okay, isn't it? Chapter number 2 was fraction only. So rational number and fractions are bit similar. Okay, rational numbers and fractions are bit similar. There are little differences which I'm going to speak here. Okay, just 1 or 2 minutes, or just for some time. Only few are watching the video. Then we shall start discussing it. Till then, you can write the name of the chapter, rational number in a good handwriting. Chapter number 4, like that. Then we will start. Then I will start. I can see 6 people are watching the video. Kindly, those who have not commented, comment so that I can proceed with the class. Yes, Uditra, good evening. Okay, let's start then. Board is clear, everyone? Okay. So suppose I write a number 15 by 19. Okay. So 15 by 19, this is numerator and this is denominator. So this can be said as fraction. Okay. but Chinmay, good evening. But at the same time, I can say it is a rational number also. Why rational number? Because for fractions, numerator and denominator are what? Are whole numbers, isn't it? We have discussed it earlier. Isn't it? So, and what is the condition? Denominator should not be equal to 0. So for a fraction, numerator and denominator are whole numbers and denominator should not be equal to 0. The same thing can be said for rational number. For rational number, numerator and denominator are what? Are integers. The only difference is that their numerator and denominator ki hobo? Whole numbers hobo aru yad ki hobo? Integers hobo and denominator is not equal to 0. So what are the possible? So now 15 by 9 যদি rational number হয় আমি কি লিখিব পারো 15 by 19 minus 15 by 19 15 by minus 19 আৰু minus 15 by minus 19. So here you can see 15 and 19 are both positive. এইটো আমি ফ্র্যাকশনও ক'ব পাৰো আৰু হোল নাম্বারও ক'ব পাৰো. But here this cannot be a fraction because তোমালোকে কি চাইছা 15 to negative হয়. So in case of a fraction, the denominator or a numerator cannot be negative. Okay, this is the only difference. If it is a fraction, numerator or denominator cannot be a fraction. File, please note it down as a note, then I will rub the board. Is it clear? So fraction ki hoy? Fractions are the numbers which can be written in p by q form. P by q form means numerator denominator form. I will write the definition of both fraction and rational number so that you can make it clear. Okay, just note it down please, file. Okay, today we shall discuss the concepts only till standard form. So let me write now. Now see it carefully everyone. First I'm writing it about fraction. The numbers that can be written in p by q form where p and q are integers, where p and q are whole numbers. Since we are writing the definition of fraction, fraction of ki hobo numerator or denominator negative hobo nware, so where p and q are whole numbers and q is not equal to 0 are called fractions. Okay, this I have taught you in the chapter in when I was explaining the concept of chapter number 2. So example কি লব পাৰো আমি 2/3, 5/9, 0/5, 17/21, 15/19, etc. Can I take negative here? No, negative লব নোৱাৰো. Why? Because it is a fraction. যদি আমি negative লওঁ, এটো কোনটো category যাবগৈ? It will become a rational number. Is it clear, everyone? Please note it. Written. Now, written? Okay. Now let me write the definition of rational number. Rational number আৰু fraction or definition to একেবাৰে similar লিখিম মই, okay? So that it is easy for you to remember both. So now, rational numbers, the numbers that can be written in which form? P by Q form. P by Q form means numerator and denominator form. And here where P and Q hobo pare, P and Q are, since it is a whole number, it can be positive, negative, zero. So where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to zero, are called rational numbers. I will take the same for example, same number with different signs. Suppose 15/22 minus 15/22, 15 by minus 22 and minus 15 by minus 22, etc. This same numbers shows the all the possibilities. কি possible হব পাৰে, numerator আর denominator দুটাই positive হব পাৰে. So এইটো তুমি fraction ও কব পাৰা, rational number ও কব পাৰা, because both are negative, both are positive, sorry. And this numerator is negative, denominator is positive, numerator is positive, denominator is negative, both are negative. So this cannot be fraction, because fraction is কেতিয়াও negative nahi. But this can be a rational number or can be a fraction, both are correct. But if you say this is a fraction, you are wrong, because in fraction numerator and denominator are whole numbers only. Clear? Can you differentiate now what is a fraction and what is a rational number? Can you differentiate it? Is there any doubt with the how to differentiate কোনটো rational number হবো, কোনটো rational number নহবো, বা কোনটো fraction হবো, কোনটো fraction ও হবো, rational number ও হবো? If both numerator and denominator are positive, মানে না, then they can be said as rational number ও কব পাৰা, তেতিয়া তুমি fraction ও কব পাৰা, তেতিয়া মই নকওঁ যে you are wrong, you cannot say it is a fraction, it is a rational number. They are both. হয় নহয়, যেনেকে গোটেইখিনি natural number whole number ত আহে, so you can say one is a natural number also, one is a whole numbers also, one you can say as integers also. Clear? Okay, written. Now we will write some points to remember. Some properties of rational number, numerator, then standard form. Till standard form we will discuss it today. Okay, remember every natural number is a rational number. মানে যিমানখিনি rational number হয় সব কি হ'ব, যিমানখিনি natural number হয় গোটেইখিনি rational number, but all rational number are not natural. Example like 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number, 3 is a rational natural number, 5 is a rational natural number, and so on. এইবিলাক কি আছে, সব natural number আছে। এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ মনত আহিব স্যাৰ এইটো কেনেকৈ হ'ব, এইটোতো p by q ফৰ্মত নহয়, হয় ন? মই তোমালোকক ক্লাছত কৈছিলো বা you know it earlier also, if there is no denominator, can you see the denominator of 1, can you see the denominator of 2, can you see the denominator of 3, can you see the denominator of 4? No, তোমালোকে ইয়াৰ denominator দেখিবই পাৰা নাই, তোমালোকে কি ভাবে ইয়াৰটো denominator নাই, but if there is no denominator, by implied কি হয়, the denominator is 1, okay, so এটো কি হৈ গল p, এটো কি হৈ গল q। similarly 2 ৰ যদি একো denominator নাই মানে তাত কি আছে, 1 আছে। similarly 3 যদি একো denominator নাই তাত কি আছে, 1 আছে। similarly 4 ৰ যদি একো denominator নাই মানে কি আছে, 1 আছে। likely if there is no denominator for 5, it is 1 there, it is 1 there for 6, and so on। বুঝি পাইছা? So this is how we can conclude that every natural number is a rational number। this is the reason why we say that every natural number is a whole number, because every natural number তলত একো যদি নাই denominator 1 আছে, and that makes the natural number a rational number। p by q ফৰ্মত আমি ক'ব পাৰো। is it clear? but আমি যদি 5/9 লওঁ, এই 5/9 ৰ denominator টো কি আছে, 9 আছে, মানে natural number যদি হলে হেতেন, if it would have been a natural number, the denominator would be 1, isn't it? So since the denominator is 9, it is a rational number only, rational number, but not a natural number, because we know if it is a natural number, denominator should be only 1। is it clear? Anyone, any sort of doubt in your mind, you can ask, okay, I will explain it again। anyone, any sort of doubt, if you have, you can ask, I will explain it again। concept classes are very important। okay, then comes point number 2। okay, what is point number 2? 0 is a rational number। why? Because 0 can be expressed in the form of p by q। how there might be question, can I express koribo paru? Suppose we have example 0, I can write it as 0 by 1। okay, why? 0 by 1 is also equal to 0, 0 divided by 2 is also equal to 0, 0 divided by 3 is also equal to 0, 0 divided by 4 is also equal to 0, and so on। that's the reason 0 is a rational number। any doubt, explanation needed again? Written by written. Okay, no doubt. Shall I proceed? Okay, let's see point number three. Every similarly যেনেকে natural number বিলাক whole number হয়, natural number বিলাক rational number হয়, likely same every whole number is a rational number, but all rational numbers are not whole number. Example, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It will keep on going, isn't it? So now 0 denominator আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1, 5 by 1, and so on. Everyone is in P by Q form. This is P and this is Q. This is P and this is Q. This is P and this is Q. P by Q, P by Q form আছে. But you can take 5 by 9. If it is a whole number, denominator should be only 1, isn't it? Because যদি 2 হয় 3 হয়, it won't be a whole number. So 5 by 9 is a rational number, but not a whole number. Clear? Then we will have one more point. Please note it down. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Similarly, I can write every integer is a rational number, but all rational numbers are not integers. Point number 4. What I can write in point number 4 is every integer is a rational number, but all rational numbers are not integers. Example, we all know integer is positive numbers and the negative numbers, so on. Here it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. এফালেও যাব. What can I write as denominator? 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1, -1 by 1, -2 by 1, -3 by 1, -4 by 1, and so on. গোটেইখিনি denominator কি হ'ব পাৰে? Nothing is there. That means it is 1 and it comes in the form of P by Q. So therefore, every integer is a rational number. But যদি মই 5 by 9 or -5 by 9 are rational number, but not integers. Why not integers? Because integers or denominator to অকল one হ'ব পাৰে. Are you getting all my points? Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Next point is it's about fraction. Okay. So what can I write? Point number 5. Every fraction is a rational number, but all the rational numbers are not fractions. Example, I can write 5 by 9, 10 by 18, 25 by 27, 35 by 39, etc. This is P here and this is the Q. P by this is Q. Okay, this is P and this is Q. This is P and this is Q. So 5, 9, 10, 18, 25, 27, 35, 39 can be said as natural number, can be said as whole number, can also be said as integers. A integers or category to ahe gote kita, but etc. are all fractions as well as rational numbers. এই গোটেইকেইটা ফ্ৰেকশ্যনো আছে আৰু rational number আছে. But যেনেকৈ মই -5/9 লিখিলো, -10/18 লিখিলো, -25/27 লিখিলো, তোমালোকে -9 ও ল'ব পাৰা. It's up to you. I'm just writing the examples to make it clear for you. Okay, 35 by -39 lilo, etc. are rational numbers but not fraction. Clear? This is the point. Now we will know about the numerator and denominator, when a rational number is called as positive rational number, when a rational number is called negative rational number. Okay, then we will learn two more properties, then we will stop for today. Written pile. Okay, the next point is numerator rational number. The part the upper part of a rational number is called its numerator, and denominator of a rational number. What is the denominator? The part, the lower part or the bottom part. It's called its denominator. Is it clear? So for example, I can say 15 by 19. This is numerator and this is denominator. Clear everyone? Please note it down. Okay. Now positive rational number and negative rational number. A rational number is said to be positive. Okay. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator, যদি our denominator or numerator are of the same sign, that means if both are positive or both are negative. If both are negative, minus minus will be cancelled and it becomes positive rational number. If both the numerator and denominator are of the same sign. For example, minus 5 by minus 9, it will be equal to minus minus will be cancelled and it becomes 5 by 9, or directly you can say 5 by 9. This is positive, and suppose 15 by 19 is already positive because the numerator and denominator are both positive. Clear? Written? Note it down please. File written. Similarly, if a rational number is positive, there will be negative rational numbers also, isn't it? Okay. So we'll write negative rational number. So a rational number is said to be negative if the numerator and denominator are of what sign? Very logical. For if it is positive, both will have same sign. So if it is negative, both numerator and denominator will have what? Opposite. Negative rational number. Negative rational number is said to be negative if numerator and denominator are of opposite sign. Opposite sign মানে কোয়া মানে কি? যদি if one is negative, the other one is positive, 5 by minus 9, etc. Negative, positive, positive, negative, like this. Clear? Written, everyone? Yes, correct, Prasanna. So till here it is written. Yes, opposite sign, different sign, both are correct. Okay. Okay. So we will stop the class for here today. In the next class, we will be discussing some more. We will discuss some more points, and then we will start the exercise. Target of this month is to complete chapter number 4. Okay. Written, everyone. Thank you, all of you. See you on Monday then. Okay. Welcome, Raktim. Yes, bye. Bye, everyone. Welcome, bye. Yes, Prasanna, thank you. Bye bye, everyone. Smriti, bye bye.